Top tricks to avoid bad hair. There's nothing worse than waking up late only to look in the mirror and find your hair was whipped itself up into a frenzy overnight. Dealing with bad hair is frustrating and it can take time away from what you really want to do in the morning. The trick to conquering messy hair when you wake up is to prevent it before it even happens. So you can try a few different methods to keep your hair calm and tangle free throughout the night to prevent bad hair and wake up with great hair. Number 1. Go to bed with dry hair. Hair is most vulnerable when it's wet, which means it's easy to break and split as you toss and turn during sleep. Make it a point to let your hair dry or use a blow dryer before bed. Number 2. Use a leave-in treatment. Use your favorite hair mask overnight and wash out in the morning for best results. Alternatively, you can use a moderate amount of coconut oil and wake up with super soft hair. Protect your pillowcases by wearing a shower cap or scarf. Number 3. Brush it out before bed. Detangling your hair before bed is crucial to prevent bad hair, but brushing it out can also help moisturize it. Using a brush with natural bristles, start at the root and move down to the end of your hair. This will help to transfer the natural oils from your scalp throughout your hair shaft, giving hair an added dose of hydration. Number 4. Wrap it up. Starting at the top of your head, use a brush to begin arranging hair around the head and spinning it down flat. Essentially, you are wrapping hair in a circle pattern around the head to keep it in its straight condition. Number 5. Spot a top knot. If you often fall victim to tangling or flat morning hair, try wearing a top knot to bed, remembering to opt for ribbon hair ties or crunchies to avoid breakage. As you blow dry hair before bed, use a volumizing product on the root and once it's almost dry, apply a texturizing spray throughout. Loosely pull dried hair upwards and into a soft top knot. The height will give you an extra boost of volume as you sleep. Number 6. Switch on a humidifier. A humidifier is a good idea for any season because both the hair conditioner and the heater can dry out your hair. Using a humidifier can keep your hair moisturized, cutting down on breakage and helping bring out the shine. Number 7. Invest in silk. Flannel or cotton sheets cause more friction on hair and over time will create damage. Investing in a soft silk pillowcase or Egyptian cotton pillowcase will ultimately reduce stress and keep your hair smooth while you sleep. These materials are also known to be better for skin if you are a tight sleeper.